Hi guys, today we talk about how to turn on news and promotions on your Duolingo app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do is you just go down, you click here on this photo and your avatar here and down. So then it's going to take us here in this list on your profile. Then you just go up of this sign settings here in app, click on it here. So click in this sign, then it's going to take us here in this list. Then you just go down here. So then you come here to news and permissions, click here for phone and here for email. So you just click in this color for on your phone here and your email, and like you see this color show for us, that's mean news and permissions, it's on now. Then you go up, you click here on save here in app. So then it's going to add with us on your uh, Duolingo app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.